Mobile services. Amazon Pinpoint, p. 49 AWS Device Farm, p. 50 AWS AppSync, p. 50 AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify makes it easy to create, configure, and implement scalable mobile applications powered by Aws. Amplify seamlessly provisions and manages your mobile backend and provides a simple framework to easily integrate your backend with your iOS, Android, web, and React Native frontends. Amplify also automates the application release process of both your front-end and back-end, allowing you to deliver features faster. Mobile applications require cloud services for actions that can't be done directly on the device, such as offline data synchronization, storage, or data sharing across multiple users. You often have to configure, set up, and manage multiple services to power the backend. You also have to integrate each of the services into your application by writing multiple lines of code. However, as the number of application features grow, your code and release process becomes more complex, and managing the backend requires more time. Amplify provisions and manages backends for your mobile applications. You just select the capability you need, such as authentication, analytics, or offline data sync, and Amplify will automatically provision and manage the AWS service that powers each of the capabilities. You can then integrate those capabilities into your application through the Amplify libraries and UI components. Amazon Cognito. Amazon Cognito lets you add user sign-up, sign-in, and access control to your web and mobile apps quickly and easily. With Amazon Cognito, you also have the option to authenticate users through social identity providers such as Facebook, Twitter, or Amazon, with SAML identity solutions, or by using your own identity system. In addition, Amazon Cognito enables you to save data locally on users' devices, allowing your applications to work even when the devices are offline. You can then synchronize data across users' devices so that their app experience remains consistent regardless of the device they use. With Amazon Cognito, you can focus on creating great app experiences instead of worrying about building, securing, and scaling a solution to handle user management, authentication, and sync across devices. Amazon Pinpoint. Amazon Pinpoint makes it easy to send targeted messages to your customers through multiple engagement channels. Examples of targeted campaigns are promotional alerts and customer retention campaigns, and transactional messages are messages such as order confirmations and password reset messages. You can integrate Amazon Pinpoint into your mobile and web apps to capture usage data to provide you with insight into how customers interact with your apps. Amazon Pinpoint also tracks the ways that your customers respond to the messages you send, for example, by showing you the number of messages that were delivered, opened, or clicked. You can develop custom audience segments and send them pre-scheduled targeted campaigns via email, SMS, and push notifications. Targeted campaigns are useful for sending promotional or educational content to re-engage and retain your users. You can send transactional messages using the console or the Amazon Pinpoint REST API. Transactional campaigns can be sent via email, SMS, push notifications, and voice messages. You can also use the API to build custom applications that deliver campaign and transactional messages. AWS Device Farm. AWS Device Farm is an app testing service that lets you test and interact with your Android, iOS, and web apps on many devices at once, or reproduce issues on a device in real time. View video, screenshots, logs, and performance data to pinpoint and fix issues before shipping your app. AWS App Sync. AWS App Sync is a serverless backend for mobile, web, and enterprise applications. AWS App Sync makes it easy to build data-driven mobile and web applications by handling securely all the application data management tasks like online and offline data access, data synchronization, and data manipulation across multiple data sources. AWS App Sync uses GraphQL, an API query language designed to build client applications by providing an intuitive and flexible syntax for describing their data requirement. Networking and content delivery.